You have a headache today?
Yeah.
You do?
I do.
You have a headache right now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How bad?
They get pretty bad today. I'd say it's about a 6 to 7.
You're gonna drop that head right in here. Drop the shoulder. Let it go. Relax.
Wow. 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 That was really good. That's a blessing. Wow.
Oh yeah, this is stuck right in here.
Wow. I just felt like so much weight take off my shoulders and in my neck. My soul. I felt that in my soul. Wow. Wow.
Any difference with the headache?
I feel like it just went away. Wow. That's like magic.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. Wow.
I feel like I'm breathing better. Wow. I felt that like through all of this. Wow. Holy Woo! That one was even bigger. My goodness. So that's what it's supposed to feel like.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Woo! I might have just grown a couple inches. My goodness. Makes you want to take a nap, right? I feel this is the most mental and physical relaxation I think I've had in months. It actually brings out a lot of emotions in you too, which is very interesting. Thank you.